All right, so this is a play and charge kit made for Xbox Series X, S, and Xbox One SX or Xbox One Elite. It literally works with any of the Xbox Ones from the Xbox One all the way to the new Xbox Series X. Not a lot around the box. Non-stop playtime supported for all Xbox wireless controllers. And then there'll be a pop-up alert when the battery is low during the game. The TV screen will indicate the charging connection and remaining battery capacity. So let's open this up. Take a look at our play and charge cable here. So that's it for the box. Got a little manual, not really needed. And so here's our, ooh, very nice. Even got a little 6amLifestyle cable tie. So this is the battery for the Xbox Series /1 rechargeable battery. Works with no matter which one you have. Here is how this works with more than one controller. Because if you look, that's USB-C, which the Xbox Series S and X uses. The original Xbox One used micro USB. So you're able to use this little adapter to plug into your normal Xbox, and then you've got a nice braided cable. This looks to be pretty long. Let's see here. Oh yeah. This is about a 10-foot cable here, at least. I don't know if it says somewhere how long this cable is, but it's at least a good 10 feet. It even tells you here, rechargeable battery, USB-C cable, and USB-C to micro adapter. Style 1 for the Xbox One and Xbox One X, S, and Elite controllers. And then Style 2 is where you would have that off and just use the USB-C for Xbox Series X and Series S. So let's go plug this into our Xbox and try it out. All right, so here's our play and charge kit. We're gonna take our USB port here, plug into the front of our Xbox. And then look at that, it's got a little blue light on it there. I like that. And you can see from the console, I mean, it almost literally reaches all the way to where I'm sitting. And yes, and then the little strap to tie up the cable when we don't need it. So then we take our included battery here, and literally this flat side goes in this way. And the easiest way is to just take the head of this and put in this way, and then bam, now it's in. Put our case back on, and now we're ready to turn back on our controller. And there we go. Our battery is in, and we have full battery showing here. I have my adapter on, and I can take this and plug into my controller. And now look at that, we got a red icon because it's charging. And then even up here, we have the charging indicator. So now we can play our Xbox. Now we can play our Xbox while we charge the controller. So there you go. Don't forget though, you can pop this adapter off and use it on your Xbox Series X or Series S USB-C type controller.